Yo, Australia, wagwan. It's your girl Latonya Style from Kingston, Jamaica, representing for authentic dancehall dancing. Yeah, you don't know? Company Dance Jamaica, www.danceja.com. And you don't know, in the dance group, first class dancers, where we dance on our heels and we do all of the sexy girl move them. But you know the thing, versatile. So we can switch it up to the man move them. Australia, just look out for some old school, middle school, new school, girl steps, gangster steps, all of the Jamaican style dancing. Yeah, Sydney, Melbourne, Adelaide, the whole of the city them in Australia. So now look out, February 2014, straight out of Jamaica, the home of dancehall, reggae, music, dance, culture. You don't know, Latonya Style said big up Jungle City Projects, big up Robin Clear, big up all my peeps them in Australia, but can't wait to come. People, if you don't book it, hurry up and book now. We're going to preview of some middle school steps. Not even old school, we're going to go middle school. Alright, so DJ, run the track.
Yeah, that's the pressure of the far redemption. Yeah, definitely. I'm on fire. Not on fire. This one my fire. Yes, yes. Munga, I'm the gangster. Me back from me fun. And that's why you want to where I was born. Was one no. Me back from me fun. And that's why me want to. And if them walk on floor, the king, that's the highest king. I'm a power with some of the money's king. I'm a link with Poland and the money's king. If it is for your life or the sunny's thing. Munga back from the first day. My birthday is next to Killa birthday. We're gonna hear the worst way. Don't leave me like that. From Islington, you take them, you get this thing wrong. I get hung up and get this station. They got a fake extinction. What can be our special care? Make no egg cup full of fake like special care. Turn them in a special way. But the boys I know the basic rule. When I get stuck from me, I go outside basic school. Dear, and then tell this school face. When I be a school face, who was a poor face? Cause you don't know to be around when I'm on this thing. If it is for your life or the sunny thing. Munga back from the first day. My birthday is next to Killa birthday. But we don't hear the worst way. But it's me right up. Yeah, that's the pressure of the far redemption. Yeah, definitely. I'm on fire. Not on fire. It's not my gun fire. Yeah. I'm the gangster ass. Me back from me bar.